I think one of the things is a lot of these DEXs, they try and run their own UIs and they kind of suck. And there's like some things missing from them. There's no commonality between them. Some order types are missing. And maybe that's like the program doesn't support it, or maybe it's just that the UI isn't built well. Like I remember back in the Serum days, when Serum was a thing and SBF was running wild, we had like 20 different people building a Serum front end. Now, it was all based on the same open source library for Serum, but you had people here and there changing a few things, maybe adding a button here and there, doing some different stuff. So I like that there was a lot of experimentation, but it also led to, I guess, a lot of fragmentation as well, where you had all of these different UIs doing different stuff, and then people would maybe develop a UI and then, okay, it's usually a one-man show, so didn't have the resources, had to move on to something else, it would never get developed more. So I guess one of the benefits of something like a unified user interface across multiple different exchanges is it's just the same thing across all of them. And that in and of itself is actually highly useful, especially when you've got all these different DEXs that all do things in a different way, or even centralized exchanges as well, right?
Correct. And like zooming out, we see that DEXs, they are more like protocols. They are programs. So they are under the bonnet. And creating a good engine, good car is one thing, but creating a beautiful car is another thing. So the exterior of your car is the UI, and the engine is like a different engineering problem. So a lot of DEXs, they concentrate on developing those programs. Smart contracts, and they're good at it, and they should concentrate on it. If they have resources to develop a front end, that's also good, but sometimes they have some bigger fish to fry and more important things such as security, such as, remember like Mango was exploited by Avi. It could have probably been avoided. So maybe DEXs should concentrate on the security, on the protocol itself instead of the UI. And more UIs could connect to the protocol, because there's not only trading UI, there potentially could be a bot UI, there could potentially be like a portfolio management UI. It could all connect to the same smart contract.